Here we have 5 pistols, 3 KWC 1911s, 1 Cybergun Taurus and 1 ASG Shadow. Now all these pistols have locked back after last shot, and for safety's sake none of them contain any CO2 at this time of the test. Now, after lockback on last shot and removing the magazine to refill, on putting the magazine back into the gun and pulling back the slide lock should drop and chamber a shot for the first round. In the Taurus, this clearly does the act properly. Taking the Shadow, lock back after last shot, remove the magazine, refill, place the magazine back into the pistol, pull back on the slide release drops, chambered for the first shot. Now if you take the KWCs, lock back on the last shot, drop the magazine, refill, place the magazine back in, pull back on the slide lock does not drop. To chamber the round, it has to be released manually. Second KWC, also lock back on the last shot, drop the mag, refill the mag, replace the mag, try and rack for the first shot, again, no drop of the slide lock, manual release. Third KWC, remove mag, replace mag, pull back on slide, again, slide lock does not function, manual release.